Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And before we wrap up the paint on this 84 Chevy, I wanted to give you a quick update on some of the products we're using. Now, these aren't sponsored products. We did pay for these. However, I did reach out to Linear Blocking Tools and ask them, could we get a discount code? And we do have a discount code for 10% off if you use DesertSpur. I'll post it down on the bottom. But basically, we're going to use the wet sanding kit from Linear Blocking Tools. And you kind of see here in the background the different blocks you receive and the sandpaper grids. There's an adhesive. I have this one open. There's an adhesive. It's an adhesive sandpaper. It sticks to the back of this. You can use it for wet sanding, but it runs from 600 grit all the way up to 2000, and that's what we're going to be using here on the wet sanding, on the primer and the paint here. So I'm getting ready to do the paint on it, but wanted to do this promo. Again, 10% off, Linear Blocking Tools, DesertSpur code. We'll post that down below. Appreciate you guys watching.